To use Stop and Shop gas points at Shell, you need to have a Stop and Shop loyalty card and a Shell gas station nearby. First, sign up for the Stop and Shop loyalty program if you have not already done so. This can be done online or in store. Once you have your loyalty card, you can start earning gas points on your purchases at Stop and Shop. For every dollar you spend at Stop and Shop, you earn 1 gas point. You can earn additional points on certain items and during special promotions. To redeem your gas points, go to a participating Shell gas station. You will need to have at least 100 gas points to start redeeming, which is equivalent to 10 cents off per gallon. When you arrive at the Shell gas station, pull up to the pump and select your fuel type. Then, insert your payment card and select the option to redeem gas points. You will need to enter your Stop and Shop loyalty card number or swipe your card to access your account. The system will then apply the discount to your fuel purchase. The discount will be applied as a price rollback per gallon, up to 20 cents off per gallon. For example, if gas is $2.50 per gallon and you have 200 gas points, you will get 20 cents off per gallon, making the price $2.30 per gallon. To maximize your savings, try to accumulate as many gas points as possible before redeeming them. You can also combine your gas points with other discounts and promotions offered by Shell or Stop and Shop. Additionally, be sure to check the expiration date of your gas points, as they may expire if not used within a certain time frame. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively use your Stop and Shop gas points at Shell and save money on your fuel purchases. Remember to always check your account balance and plan your redemptions strategically to get the most out of your gas points.